Good morning, sir.
Morning. Good morning, sir. Morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Good morning, everybody.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Let's begin the class. Okay, still 23 members are there. So shall we wait or start the class? Only 23 are there. Yesterday it was 26. Let's wait for 2-3 minutes. Okay, in today's class, I would like to summarize the Maslow hierarchy theory. Then I would like to know what are your short-term goals and long-term goals. As I asked you yesterday, what are your short-term and long-term goals? What are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? To list out them. Okay, just individually I will ask what are your strengths and goals. Before that, I would like to summarize the Maslow's hierarchy theory. So in the Maslow's hierarchy theory, if you consider a pyramid, this is the theory which is based on the human development. How the human development can take place in each stage. In each stage, what are the requirements of every human being? Each and every human being, we have to list out first. So first one, if you see the basic needs, or we can say it's physiological needs, or we can directly say it is basic needs. And the next need is a psychological need. Human requires after just attaining the basic needs, whatever it may be, then he has to acquire psychological satisfaction. Then after that, he will go for the self-fulfillment stage. Self-fulfillment. Okay, these are the three stages overall. And among these stages, there are different classifications in the Maslow's hierarchy theory. If you consider a bigger pyramid, okay, in the basic needs itself, there are two basic needs. One is a physiological need. Physiological need. What are the physiological needs? Like food, shelter, water, air, clothing, reproduction. Everything comes under the physiological needs. In turn, these basic needs include this physiological needs, and next need is the safety need. Safety need or safety and security need, we can say. In the safety and security needs, what a human being requires: the personal security, safety, employment, resources, health, property, whatever that particular man will get satisfaction from, they have acquired that. So these two include the basic need. basic needs. These two includes. Then the third one comes under the psychological needs. In the psychological needs, the first one is the love and belonging. Love and belonging. So, what is this love and belonging? Needs to have a family, needs to have an intimate relationship, needs to have a sense of belongingness, needs to have a friendship, family, various other relationship. Okay, everything we want. The man who just crosses the safety needs, he just needs a love and belongings. Then the next stage in the psychological needs is a esteem needs. Okay, it's maybe a self-esteem, recognition, prestige, whatever the accomplishments, everything will comes under this esteem needs. So therefore, these two needs are classified overall as a psychological needs. And the final one is self-fulfillment needs. In the self-fulfillment needs, the first one is okay. It is only one stage, which is a self-actualization stage. So, self-actualization stage. Overall, this top of the pyramid is called self-fulfillment needs. Self-fulfillment needs. Then what is this self-actualization? Okay, nothing but achieving one's full potential. Okay, which includes artistic activities, creativity, or education, everything, whatever his true potential is there, he has acquired this stage. As I already said, you first in the human being, the first stage of a human being, the human development is nothing but a psychological needs or a basic needs. These basic needs are classified as a safety needs and psychological needs. Once the man acquires, once the human being acquires these stages, which are classified in the basic needs, then he will go for the love and belongings. He will look after for other things, other family members. First, he needs to secure himself. So, in order to secure himself, he will be in this stage, basic needs stage. After securing himself, he will go to create a family, friendship, and everything he will create in the love and belonging stage. And self-esteem. Once he acquired all the family, property, whatever he want, recognition, everything, then he needs a recognition, a clear recognition, appreciation from a different stages, from a different organization, from a different persons. He needs appreciation. That is called a self-esteem or esteem needs. Then after acquiring this esteem needs, he will go for the self-actualization stage. In the self-actualization stage, nothing but a reaching true potential. So in the self-actualization, we can just say it is the ultimate development of a human being, in which he will not only look after about himself, he will just go to fulfill the needs of others. He will serve a society. So every human being aims needs to be reach this stage. So in order to reach this stage, there are many ways. There are many ways, many obstacles in reaching this stage. So we have to consider positivity in reaching these stages. There are various negative and positive ways. Negative and positive ways in reaching the human development goal to the self-actualization state. But every time we have to look the negative, and we have to just struck out the negative. And in terms, if you are intellectually stable, so you can just differentiate positive from the negative. You can be able to differentiate what is the positivity from the negativity. Okay, so these are the needs which the man, which a humankind requires. Then how it is related to the value education? This Maslow's hierarchy theory related to the value education. In the value education, then what is a value education? So value education is nothing but a concept about the education process that instills most standards to create more civil and democratic societies. So civil and democratic societies we have to create. In instilling in this civil and democratic society, we need to understand what are our needs, what are our human needs, and at each stage our needs, how it will change. Okay, once if you consider the human being is present in this stage, okay, he need not bother about these stages. Okay, once he reach about this stage, so he need not bother about the self-actualization stage. Only he will consider up to this stage. So we need to study in each stage what are our needs. Okay, what is the society is needing. So this Maslow's hierarchy theory is also a integral part of this value education. By the definition, the value education is nothing but a concept about the educational process that instills moral standards to create more civil and this democratic society. So value education therefore promotes a tolerance. Okay, what is tolerance? Okay, tolerance means we are living in a harmonious society. Okay, in harmonium with different caste, creeds, different religions. Okay, we are living with harmony with them. So we need to tolerate. Many religious beliefs will be there. Many different religions will accept one religion, will not accept the other beliefs of other religion. So we need to tolerate them. We need to have a tolerating attitude in ourselves. So value education promotes tolerance and understanding about above and beyond the political. So what is political? See, everything is a controversial nowadays. Nowadays, every small things, there are many people are making it controversy. So we need to, the people who are studying this value education needs to instill in them the sense of tolerance, and they need to rise beyond the politics. They need to rise beyond the culture, beyond the religious beliefs, beyond the religious differences. Whatever the differences are there in the religious beliefs or in the caste system, everything, we need to rise above them. So this, the value education teaches us to rise above the politics and cultural belief, to rise above the cultural beliefs, and to rise above the religious differences, putting a special emphasis on the defense of human rights. Okay, we need to emphasize more on the human rights rather than just a religious, political, or cultural beliefs. We need to have in our behavior that we need to respect the fellow human beings. That is nothing but a human rights. So the protection. So ethnic minorities will be there in various countries, everywhere. Ethnic minorities will be there. So we need to protect them. As a responsible citizen, we need to protect these ethnic minorities and the most vulnerable groups. So many groups are there. Many okay, the basic problem in our society is the poverty. So many vulnerable groups will be there in that one, like the caste system. In the caste system, many people will say SC, STs, and everything, BCs. Okay, we need to rise above all. So we need to look the vulnerability of that particular society, particular people, and we need to protect our environment. How we can need to protect our environment? We need to conserve every natural resource, like putting off when we are not using the electricity. We have to put out these fans and lights and everything. This will comes under the conservation of energy, conservation of our environment, because this all the resources which we are using now, like electricity, it is produced through some natural resources. So we are depleting those natural resources. Okay, we are polluting the surrounding environments. So in order to stop that pollution, and in order to stop those depletion of natural resources, we need to be responsible. We need to conserve the environment. We need to conserve the natural resources, whatever we are uh, just using them for our comforts. Okay, we need to learn in them what are the uh, what is the moral values, what are the moral values which we have to instill in ourselves. Okay, what are the beliefs, what are the right belief, what is the wrong belief. Okay, above the politics, above the cultural, above the religious beliefs, everything we have to rise them. First we have to accept the differences between various religion, various castes, and everything. We have to accept them. Yes, they are existing in nature, they are existing in our society. We have to accept first. Okay, then only we can realize that yes, they are existing. Then we can realize that okay, these are the differences. Now we need to just lower these differences. We need to correlate with each other. Okay, what are the common beliefs in each religion? What are the common beliefs in each casteism? What are the common attitude? How we can move forward by just suppressing these differences? So we need to instill in ourselves in the value education. Then value education is not at all the responsibility of a school or the college. Okay, it is the responsibility of a overall humankind. Okay, not only the teacher will teach us your value education, every person can teach us in a value education. Like if you see from your mother or father, you can learn many things. Okay, how their values are there. Okay, so value education is not at all a responsibility, not at all a responsibility only of the teachers. or the school or the college. Okay, it is a responsibility of every humankind. So these are the basic needs. Now, in this Maslow's hierarchy theory, all the basic needs, you need to realize what are the strengths and what are your weaknesses, what are your goals. Goals means it's a short-term goals and long-term goals. We need to just list out what are your goals. Yesterday, I have just asked you to list out your strengths and weaknesses. Okay, then your goals. Okay, what are your goal? The finally, whether you are able to reach your final goal, how do you plan to reach your final goal? You have to just say that this first one is short term, long term. If you list out these things, it will be very beneficial for your job opportunities. It will increase your job opportunities. Okay? It will increase your probability of success. Okay, you can rise above anything. Just I'm just calling you with your numbers. Just list out these activities. Number one. Why? What is the problem? You are still left. Number two.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning. Yeah, what are
So
you?
much hardworking,
Yeah, hardworking. Yes, that's good.
truthfulness,
What? Sorry.
truthful.
Hardworking, truthful.
Mm, that's it, sir.
Okay, hardworking, truthful. Then what are your weaknesses?
Uh, Public speaking.
Oh, okay. Now you are speaking in public.
Yeah.
Okay. The public speaking is an essential thing nowadays. Nowadays, everybody, not about a worker, not about a manager, everybody has to speak openly. And okay, then next one, weakness.
Um, okay, that's it, sir.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Then girls.
Sir, I should complete my degree with good percentage, sir.
Okay. What is the probable
And
percentage?
sir,
What is the probability you are expecting percentage?
uh, 80 above, sir.
Above 80. Okay. Wow.
Mm.
Okay.
Long term
You,
is too well settled, sir.
well settled. Okay.
Mm.
Long term is well settled. Okay. Okay. No problem.
Yes,
Okay. Well settled means
like nice job. Uh,
okay.
that's it. Thank you.
Nice job. Okay. Yeah. Short term.
Mm, that only is getting good marks in degree
Okay. It's a short
with
term.
nice
Okay.
percentage.
Okay, 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 yeah. You just prepare your own word copy regarding this one strengths and weaknesses. It will be useful in preparing your CV finally or the resume in the final year. Okay, just list out these things.
Okay.
And public, since
Okay.
you already told public speaking your weakness, so you need to just arrange your short-term goal in a way that you have to speak a maximum extent in the public. Then only you can overcome this public speaking shortfalling. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
thank you. The next one is 23 is mic is not working. Okay, then number 3.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
So, my strength is my parents.
Oh wow.
Weakness. Nothing much.
Nothing much. Okay. No,
Short
it can't be
term.
like that. This is short. Yes.
Short term goal is first thing is complete my degree.
Okay. The same one. Complete your degree. That's it.
I have some more plans, like not confirm with my goals.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Conform with your goals. Okay. Just list out your goals for the next class at least.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next number 5. Rule number 5.
Good morning, sir.
Hi. Good morning.
My strength, friends,
Friends.
parents,
Okay.
weakness, food,
Weakness.
food,
Quid.
food,
Sorry.
eating chocolates.
Okay. Food. Okay. Food.
Uh,
Oh, okay. Weakness is food. It's not at all a weakness. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Short term to achieve good job.
Okay. Good job.
Long term, nothing.
Long term nothing. Okay. Okay. It's very useful if you list out your goals, short term goals, and long term goals, strengths and weakness. It will be very useful in your final year. Okay. Believe me, it's very useful. Just list out at least for the next class. Okay. Yeah. The next number. Thank you. Next number is 8. Number 8.
Good morning, sir.
Hi. Good morning.
My strength is confidence and hardworking.
Okay, confidence. One, okay. Yeah.
I guess weakness, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, at least you said you don't know. But
Yeah.
somebody.
Approach.
Approach.
And short term is completing my degree with good marks.
Okay, yeah. Same one, percentage. Okay.
Yeah. And long term is a good, well settled job. And then I want to open my own restaurant.
Open your restaurant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Good, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, don't say anything randomly. Just open heartedly, just discuss whatever you want to be. Just list out whatever your goals are. Everything. Then the next number is number 9.
Good morning, sir. I think my strength is I stay positive all the time, no matter what.
Okay.
My weakness is I lack of confidence sometimes.
Okay. Lack of confidence. Okay. Nice.
My short-term goal was to travel the whole world, but I guess in this pandemic, it's the long-term goal now.
Okay. Yeah. Nice joke. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Next number is 9. I think 9. Rule number 9.
I just told you, sir.
Okay. Same number. Sorry. 10. Number 10.
Good morning, sir.
Hi. Good morning.
Should I tell you my weaknesses and strengths?
What? Sorry. Is it?
Sir?
Yes. Yeah. For strength and weakness.
Why should I tell you my weaknesses and strengths?
Why should you tell you? Tell me.
Not
Okay, it
tell
will.
you, in all,
Uh,
among all.
among all. Okay, there's a possibility that maximum possibility or a probability that interviewer will ask you in front of a panel that what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. Like if you see somebody has told you the public speaking is their weakness. Okay, it might be a many people's problem public speaking. When you just list out all this one in front of your friends, they are your friends, they are your classmates. Okay, you need not to fear with them anything. Okay, if you say this is a public speaking, and at the same time when you are going for the final year, then you have to verify once again what are the strengths and weaknesses. Then you able to realize that whether I have just overcome that fear of public speaking or not. Okay, as an example, I'm speaking about the public speaking. Have you overcome that one, or have you not overcome that specific problem? Then only you can clearly able to defend in front of a panel of interviewers. Okay, that will be very much helpful in confidently saying that yes, I was having a strengths, I was having some weaknesses, so in this way I have overcome this weakness. Okay, when you are going for the jobs, okay, there may be many skills you don't acquired in the college studies. Okay, there are many skills, then interviewer will ask we require these skills. For example, if you are going for the software job, okay, you are working in the C platform or you are working in the Java platform, they would like you to work in the Oracle platform. Okay, then what will you do? Okay, they will ask you how would you learn in what period of time you will learn this course or the Oracle platform. How can you shift from one platform to another platform? Whether you are adaptable to that platform or not, they will ask like that. Then how can you defend yourself? You will simply say, yes, sir, I will quickly learn this one. They will not believe that one. Okay, so you have to give some example. It will be very beneficial in the interview when you give the example. Sir, this was the case when I am in the first year. I was having the public speaking as my weakness. When I am currently I am in my final year. So public speaking is not at all a problem to me. I have overcome through this long year. I just work out on that my weaknesses and I just overcome that weakness. So in that way, I can prove myself that I can shift easily from one platform of working to the other platform of working. Then you can just defend about yourself with an example. Okay, everything referring with an example is very good attitude. Okay, this is the positive trait when you are listing out this one. Okay, if you have any reservations, you need not tell in front of me or in front of your colleagues or in front of your classmates. Just list out on your own. Okay, it will be beneficial for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you want to say,
Okay,
you
sir.
can say, or otherwise, if you have any reservations, just please don't say anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, would you like to say or just?
Strength is,
Hmm.
no, I'll say no. My strength is confidence. My weakness, I don't know.
Okay, yeah, that's what. Okay, when you say in front of interviewer, we don't have any weakness or I don't know about weakness, it will be a clear deceiving of his question. Okay, we need not deceive anybody. Yeah, keep it up next. Okay, yeah, in the next class, just I will ask you once again, just have one weakness at least. Okay, have in your list one weakness at least.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
yeah, thank you. The next is 11, number 11.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Sir, my strength is
Yeah.
parents, sir,
Oh, wow.
and weakness is losing confidence sometimes.
Okay.
My short-term goal is I want to complete my degree successfully in Loyola College.
Okay. Degree, only
My
degree
long-term is
successfully. Anyway, you are going to complete your
yes, sir.
degree. Okay.
And the long-term is I want to be happy.
Happy. Oh, wow.
Yes.
Nice girl. Keep it up. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.
you. Yeah. Next, number 14. Number
Sir,
14.
good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Sir, my name is Akash, sir.
Akash. Okay. Yeah. That's nice.
Uh, Sir, my strength is my dareness, sir.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And my weakness is actually I have a poor weakness, sir.
Okay, wow, it's nice.
First one is sleeping, sir.
Okay. Hmm.
Second one is food, sir.
Food. Okay, okay. Already
Yeah.
somebody said. Okay, yeah.
Third one is angriness, sir.
Angriness. Okay.
And finally,
Hmm.
trusting someone with blindly, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay, yeah, it's a
that's
two
my
weaknesses. Okay, no problem.
guys.
I think you can overcome the final year. Okay, set your goals.
Sir, short term is at least once go to a Jammu and Kashmir on bike, sir.
JNK bike. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Uh,
Hmm.
and long term is I have to settle my life in Indian Army, sir.
Oh wow.
I want to serve.
Hmm. Okay, nice, nice goal. Okay,
That's
just
it.
list out what you are going to do in order to join our army. Okay, I think yesterday I had just asked you 1 year break. Why? Same
Yeah,
person,
yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
Yes.
no problem. Yeah, you just achieve your goal. Yeah, just I will pray for
About
that one.
about weakness, sir. I lost my life, sir. Actually, in these 2 years.
Above, sorry.
About this weakness, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I lost my life in 2 years, sir. I
Lost your life
totally
in
lost.
2 years.
I, बोले तो ये 2 years वेस्ट कर दिया सर.
Acha, acha, acha. Okay, okay. 2 years life you just wasted. Okay, okay. No problem. Lost my life means you're not
Sorry.
existing. It's okay. Yeah, yeah. No problem, no problem. It happens sometimes. No problem. You just overcome your fears. Okay, you will definitely acquire your goal.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. The next person is 15. Number 15.
Good morning, sir.
Hi. Good morning.
My strength is my patience, sir.
Wow. It's a good strength.
And my weakness is stage fear, sir.
Stage fear. Yeah. Okay. Public speaking.
Yes, sir. Stage fear and angriness.
Angriness. Okay. Somebody said. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And my short-term goal is to achieve a better job, sir.
Okay. Better
And
job.
my long-term goal is to look after my family well, sir.
Look after your family. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Then 16. Number 16.
Good morning, sir.
Hi. Good morning.
I am Rupsan, sir.
Oh, sound nice. Okay.
My strength is my parents and friends, sir.
Parents and friends. Okay. Somebody said will not list. Okay.
And my weakness is playing games, sir.
Playing games. Okay.
Short term to travel the world, sir.
Travel the world. Okay.
And long term to settle and to get good job, sir.
Long term is to get good job.
Good job and settle and take care of my parents.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Just make your goals clear. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. 17. Number 17.
Good morning, sir.
Hi. Good morning.
I my strength is I never let down myself, sir.
You never let
Let down myself.
get down.
Let down myself.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And my weakness is workout.
Okay. Workout.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And short term is traveling to Ladakh with my friends.
Ladakh. Okay.
Ladakh.
Mhm.
Dream,
Okay.
sir.
Oh wow.
And next is well settled.
Well settled.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Next. Then thank you. The next one, 18, huh? Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, my strength is my family,
Okay.
and my weakness, I don't have any weakness, sir.
Okay. Not at
Okay.
all possible. Okay.
Yes, I not have, yeah.
Okay. Just.
And short term,
Yeah, yeah. Shut down.
short term goals, I don't have any short term, sir. But long term, I want to be happy with my family and my friends till end of my life.
Okay. Happy.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Just observe your weakness. Every person will have something weakness. Okay, identifying strengths is secondary, but identifying weakness is primary, because everybody will use our weakness. Okay, in order to achieve their goals, they will use our weaknesses. Okay, first you have to identify. Okay, yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
19, thank you. 19.
मॉर्निंग सर ये देख अब्दुल बसीर को मैंने मेल किया था गुड मॉर्निंग सर
Hi, good morning.
so my strength is I'm honest in any work
Okay, honesty,
यहाँ पर
yeah, right.
I can make decisions proper and quickly
Okay,
and
nice.
and my weakness is I'm short tempered and overconfident sometimes
Oh wow, short tempered.
नहीं नहीं पे उसका वो चल रहा है क्लास चल रहा है
Okay, then girls.
ये TT 91 so goals is to crack my NDA exam please हाँ ये
MPA.
NDA
NDA, okay, yeah, defense you want to join.
जून 91 का है डू नॉट डिलीट करके मैं तो जून में बोला था लॉन्ग टर्म is that I want to join Indian Air Force as a fighter pilot please be informed that still the limit is not
Indian Air Force.
please delete करके बोला जैसे ही वो डिलीट बोला
Sorry, something disturbance is there.
yeah I delete Indian Air Force yeah as a fighter
ऐसा
pilot करके मैं इसको रिटेन कर आरएम को आरएम कंफर्मेशन रिटेन एज आरएम कंफर्मेशन
And the next number is 21.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
My strength is my confidence, sir. If I start a work, I will complete it definitely, sir.
Wow.
And my weakness is same, sir. It's laziness.
Laziness. Okay.
I can't start the work properly.
Okay. Once you started, you will achieve that particular goal
Yes, sir.
immediately. Yeah. It's a nice one, nice one. Okay, mine is also same. Yeah, next goal.
And my goals is to explore India through my bike, sir. On my bike.
Explore only India. India only.
Means yes, sir. I like to explore India.
Okay, wow, nice. Long term.
Long term goal is to join in Indian Navy.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. I forgot to charge. Yeah. Okay. Where we are? We are continuing with number 21, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Please carry on. Okay.
Uh,
You were
my
saying
long
join.
term is to
Sorry.
get my
Yeah.
long term goal is join in Indian Navy, sir.
Indian Navy.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then thank you. Next one. 22. Number 22. Hi. Morning.
My strength is my parents, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Same one. You not restored. Okay.
Weakness is overconfidence.
Overconfidence. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Next time I will ask you example. Okay. Many people are saying overconfidence, overconfidence. Okay. I will ask you example. Then girl.
I want to travel with my parents wherever I go.
You want to? Sorry.
I want to travel with my parents wherever I want to go.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
I want to join in a railway.
Okay. Railway. Okay. Only railways. Any job in railways is suitable.
Yes.
Oh wow. Okay. Nice. Good. Thank you. Keep it on. 22 or 23, I guess. Next one. Yeah, 23. Number 23. Roll number 23. Okay, his mic is off. Okay. 25. Number 25.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
So, my strength is my family member, sir.
Family members, okay.
My weakness is overthinking, sir.
Overthinking.
Yes, sir. My short-term goals are to ride different bikes.
Ride different bikes, okay.
Yes. Long-term goals to achieve a government job.
Okay, government job.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Nice. Next one, 26. 26. Roll number 26. Roll number 26. Okay, last call. 27. Next one.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, I don't have any strength, sir, because it will become like self-elevation. And one of my biggest strength is my bro. He
Okay.
gives me everything I want. And
Okay.
weakness are zero patience and short temper, sir.
Weakness or? Sorry?
Zero patience and short temper.
Okay, no
And
patience. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
And playing PUBG, basically I'm a PUBG addict.
Oh, no. Okay. No problem. You have to overcome this PUBG.
And
Then
short-term goals, sir, I want to become an biker come vlogger, sir.
biker come vlogger.
Vlog North India, especially North India, cause already my relative did South India, sir. South India vlogging.
Okay, okay.
And long-term goals, sir, I want to achieve a good rank in civil.
Oh, wow. Nice goal. Okay.
Thank you.
8. Next one, 28.
Morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
So my strength is my parents, sir,
Wow. Hmm.
and my weakness is I can't control my anger.
Anger. Okay. Many angry persons are there in our class. Okay.
And my short-term goals is to complete my degree, sir,
Okay. Degree. Okay.
and long-term to get a well-settled job.
Well settled job. Okay. Same. Okay. Thank
That's
you.
all, sir.
Okay. The next one is 29, I guess. Yeah, 29. Next,
Sir, good
29. Hi, good morning.
sir, my strength is my parents.
Okay.
Weakness is angriness.
Angriness. Okay. Angry persons. Many angry persons are there. Okay. We need to be careful. Hmm.
Short term is to travel Ladakh.
Ladakh. Okay. Same one as earlier. Okay. Long
Long
term
term is to settle with my job.
with nice job.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
It's a government or private?
Anything.
Anything. Okay. Nice. Have to keep up. Okay. Thank you. And the next number is 20. Okay, I'm not sharing my screen. Sorry. Okay. Just wait. I'm sharing my screen. Hmm. Yeah. Next number 32. Number 32.
Good morning, sir.
Hi. Good morning.
So my strength is patience, sir.
Patience. It's a nice strength. Okay.
Weakness is lazy.
Lazy. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Yeah.
And short-term goal is I want to visit Kedarnath temple
Oh wow. Hmm.
and to have a job and have happy family. I
Happy.
mean, beautiful family.
Oh wow. Hmm.
And long-term is I want to travel the whole world.
Okay. This is short term. Happy family.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
beautiful family. Beautiful family.
Okay. Happy and beautiful.
Sir.
Okay. Long term is something you are saying. Sorry. Yes.
To world, sir.
Travel.
Yes, sir.
Travel around the world. Okay. Thank you. The next number
Okay.
is 33.
Good morning,
33.
sir.
Hi. Good morning.
Sir, my strength is that I am very patient and very respectful.
Respectful. Okay.
Sir, my weakness is that I am not able to express myself properly.
Okay. Now you are expressing properly now.
No, sir.
Hmm?
The introvert type, sir.
Oh no, not at all from your words. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, my short-term goal is to do a small course in swimming. I want to become a good swimmer, sir.
Okay. Swimmer.
And my long-term goal is that I want to join army.
Okay. Join army. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next number. Okay. 37.
Morning, sir.
Hi. Morning. Yes. Hmm.
My strengths are I'm enough there to overcome a critical situation.
Okay.
My weaknesses are laziness and lack of working.
Lack of working. Or lack of
Yeah.
work. You will not work, or you don't find any work.
No, not like that, sir. I will plan well, good, but I fail in initiating it.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Initiation or just executing that work?
Initiating
don't-
and executing, sir.
Okay, initiating and executing also. But you said your strength is overcoming critical situation.
Yeah, sir.
Then how come without initiation or without execution, you can't overcome your, you can't say your strength is overcoming critical situation?
Uh, if I start it, I won't stop it, but it's like a starting trouble.
Okay, most probably you will be good at execution, but you have a starting trouble. So we
Yeah,
can
sir.
strike out this execution. Okay,
Yes, sir.
people who have lack of execution skills, they will not overcome any situation, not about a critical situation, any situation. So initiating is a starting trouble you have. No problem. Everybody's problem, it is no problem. Mine is also same one. Okay, yeah, thank you. Next one, goal.
Goals are short-term goals are to become a legal racer in two-wheeler and four-wheeler.
Legal racer, okay.
Mm.
Oh, wow. Mm.
Long-term goal is to lead a luxurious life without a lack of necessities.
Okay, luxury life without lack of necessity. Meaning?
Means whatever I think I need it to have it.
Okay. It's just simply luxury life. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You will get every need. Okay. Most probably, I hope. Thank you. 33, 37. 37. You are 37.
Yes, sir. I'm 37.
Yeah, 42. Next one. Sorry. Yeah, 42. Just quickly, please wind up. Then we will just at last we will summarize that one. So 37. 37, 42, 42, 43. Okay, no problem. I also want to summarize. Just the rest of the person, please list out your strengths, weakness, goals, and short-term and long-term goals, so that it is very, very useful. Okay, you need not to bother about saying in front of everybody, because everybody is here your friend. Okay, whether it may be a true friend or it may be something else, we don't mind that one. But you have to list out. Now you see there are many strengths. Okay, like hardworking, truthfulness, parents, friends, then confidence, positivity, daring, patience, never let down oneself, honesty, quick decision, brother, respectfulness, overcoming critical situation. Okay, all these are the strengths. First, just go through all these strengths. Okay, I will share this OneNote sheet with you in your Outlook mail. Just go to the Outlook mail and just download this one, or just see in your screen. Then you can find the many strengths and weaknesses. Just wait a second. I will just for the whole batch, I'm just sending this one. Okay, from this list of strengths and weaknesses, you just identify your strengths and weaknesses, so that it will be very easy. Now many persons before today, okay, before today, every person, maybe many persons are lacking behind knowing that what are the strengths and weaknesses. Now we have many strengths and weaknesses, as just said by your friends. Okay, just go through these strengths first and just identify what are your strengths. If you are not having the strengths, question yourself, why don't you have that particular strength? Okay, then weaknesses also same thing applies. Just go through the list of weaknesses, like public speaking. Okay, it's a wonderful weakness. Okay, many people have this public speaking as their weaknesses. Okay, then next one, food, lack of confidence. Okay, this is also a weakness. Then losing confidence, sleeping, angry, blind trust, stage fear, playing game, workout, Okay, short-tempered and overconfidence, laziness, overthinking, no patience and short-tempered, express oneself properly. Okay, he can't express himself properly. So initiating. Okay, somebody might have a execution problem also, but they can good at initiators. Okay, you can go through this list of the weaknesses and just identify what are your weaknesses. Okay, one thing just remember, there is no person or there is no existing living organism in this world without any weaknesses. Even for the animals, okay, for the human beings, or even for any existing species will have a weakness. Some weaknesses you have to find out by yourself. Then you have to work on that weaknesses so that it will be converted as your strength. Okay, this will be very useful task. Then the short term goals. Okay, somebody said it's a percentage, getting a nice percentage. Okay, it's a good girl. Then good job, getting a good job. Travel, getting a degree itself is a girl. Then traveling Jammu and Kashmir on bike, better job. Travel around world, travel Ladakh. Joining Defense Academy, National Defense Academy. Okay, clearing the NDA exam or joining Defense Academy, or exploring India on bike. Okay, then travel with parents. Uh, okay, travel with parents, riding different bikes. This is different and this is different. Okay, traveling with parents and riding different bikes, and biker and blogger. Okay, then visiting a Kedarnath temple, then happy and beautiful family, swimmer, racer. Okay, among these, not only among this, if you can't identify what is your goal, you can just have a look on this already listed short-term goals. If you can find your short-term goals lies in this one, just pick up that one. Okay, whatever suits you, just pick up that one. Otherwise, you can just identify your own goal. Then long-term goals, they have listed about, okay, well settled job or well settling in the life, open own restaurant, happy, being happy, joining army, looking after family to get good job and settle, well settled, joining Indian Air Force as a fighting pilot something, then Indian Navy, railways, joining railways, government job, getting a government job, civil services, clearing the civil service examination, traveling around the world, joining Indian Army, living a luxurious life. Okay, if you can find among these your long-term goals, you can just list out. Okay, it is useful task. In the next class, I would like to start the true syllabus for the unit 1. Okay, before that, for your benefit, just list out what are your strengths, weaknesses, short-term, long-term goals on a paper, in a Word file. Just make this in your Word file so that you can keep it safely until your final year. Okay, until your whole life, because you have to express yourself, how your strengths are there, how your weaknesses are there, so that you can just defend in front of any panel, any interview panel, whether it may be any family member, that I am a confident person, I can overcome any difficulty. Okay, you have to state yourself with a confidence. Okay, this is very required for this course. Okay, just to do it on your own. Okay, thank you for listening. In the next class, we'll start the true syllabus from the unit 1. Okay, I already provided the syllabus from unit 1. You just go through the teams and just download
Sir,
your syllabus.
attendance.
Yeah, I will take. Okay, download your syllabus and go through your syllabus first. Okay, thank you for listening.